In this lesson, we're going to learn about speed ramping, changing the speed of a clip in the middle of that clip. And we're going to be recreating this kind of effect with this clip where I walk into this frame fast, slows down, speeds up. My friend John walks in, it slows down when he gets into the frame, and then it speeds up as he walks out of the frame. And I just kind of loop this clip or duplicate it so it looks like it's looping. The original clip just looked like this. I'm walking through the frame on a hike up in Big Bear, and then there's a long pause, and then John walks through the frame. It's a little bit more dynamic, and it doesn't work for every type of video, but for something that's a little bit more fun and upbeat, something like this looks a little bit better. Okay? So I'm just going to move these over to the right and bring in this clip right here. We're going to be using this time remapping tool right here. So go to your effect controls with this clip selected. We're going to be setting keyframes where the speed will change. Right now, the keyframe, there are no keyframes and it's set at 100. So you kind of got to plan this out beforehand. So set keyframes where you want the speed adjustment to change. I want the speed to go fast here up until about this point where I reach this edge of this tree. So I'm going to set a keyframe there. I'm going to go forward till right about there when I'm on that side of the tree. So set another keyframe. Then I'm going to go all the way until John hits that part of the tree, set a keyframe, and go a little bit further and set a keyframe. Then let's drop down this menu so we can adjust the speed. By increasing or decreasing this line, we can adjust the speed. So for this first part, I'm going to increase it, just clicking and dragging up. Once I let go, we see that this part is faster than this part. So let's play through it. That's pretty good. I might want it a little bit faster. So something like that. Then I'm just going to click this line and drag it up just about the same amount. So it's kind of at the same level. Maybe even faster this time because there's a longer pause. Something like that. And then with this last one, again, just drag it up. That's pretty darn cool. We're going to do one more thing to this clip because right now it's going from fast and then all of a sudden slow, fast, all of a sudden slow. This little icon right here allows us to separate by clicking and dragging to the right or left. And what that does is it ramps the speed. So it doesn't abruptly go from 360% to 100%. Now it ramps down, so there's sort of a transition. I'm going to do that with all of these keyframes to make that ramp, make the motion feel a little bit more natural. So let's play through this now. Fast, slow. When John appears on the screen, it's a little bit too fast, so I'm just going to drag this in just a little bit. Less of a ramp, and we see a little bit more of him walking. So this is a really cool effect that you can add to videos. You see it a lot in action sports where there's a surfer or a skateboarder and they're doing a trick and then they slow down when they hit the top of the wall or do that 360 or whatever it is. It's a very cool effect to do for sports, but also just for fun videos, fun montages like this video that I'm making right now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know.